consciousness to me. Have you ever had your brain poked at? No anesthesia. No care. No safety. I'm not the one you want. But you don't care. You want him. From me. But all you do is make me cry. Scream. Yell. Pull. My mind is nothing but a toy to you. A toy for you to rip apart like you can buy another. Want to be alone. I want to be away from you. I'm not a toy, but a memory of once was. Can't you see what you're doing? Or are you too blinded by your quest for an answer?